Okay.
Hello. Hello. Namaskar, sir.
Yeah, namaskar. Verma ji, namaskar. I'll keep
Namaskar.
admitting.
How are you, sir?
Thank you so much. Nice having you around. We are starting the program. And
Okay.
yeah.
Okay,
And
sir.
okay.
I joined this just to listen and enjoy the music, sir.
So nice of you. So nice of you. Okay, I hand you over to
Okay.
Srimati Dinavahi Madhavi Garu from Hyderabad. They are my students. And she will start the proceedings now formally. Over to you, Madhavi Garu.
Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Namaskaram dear all. Greetings from Ramayas, a Coimbatore-based philanthropic organization functioning to promote art and music amongst you and society. This is Dinavahi Madhvi Lakshmipati and Dinavahi Pravatika from Hyderabad, welcoming you all to be witnessing this live recital of a Karnataka Sangeetam vocal on Google Meet platform featuring Vidwan Srimati Meenakshi Deepak joining us from Vancouver, Canada. We welcome you, Ms. Deepak, and dear you all. Thanks for being here. We are blessed to have your precious presence. We also welcome Vidwan Srimati Suganti Shri Krishnamurthy, a senior musician, teacher, and a composer from Chennai. Suganti ma'am has been of immense support and has always been with us in all over our artistic endeavors. Thanks for being here, Suganti ma'am. We also welcome scores of other members, invitees, disciples of Ramayas who present here with well wishes from all over. Now a word of introduction about the artist of the evening. Though it is daytime at Canada now, Srimati Meenakshi Deepak, simply Sumita for her near and dear ones, is a passionate vocalist and is the dear daughter of Srimati Geeta Lakshmanan and Sri N.S. Lakshmanan from Palakkad, Kerala. Sri Lakshmanan during his Delhi days was an active member of Balagokulam Bhajan group and performed Nama Sankirtanam for decades. Srimati Geeta Lakshmanan is a teacher turned homemaker. Young Meenakshi took the right kind of inspiration from her father and was formally trained in classical music by Vidwan Sri B. Vaidyanathan, founder of Sangeeta Vaijayanti, Hyderabad, a school of Sampradaya Sangeetam. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a great honor to have him among us today. Welcome, dear sir. Srimati Meenakshi Deepak is a recipient of Sahitya Kala Parishad Scholarship for Carnatic Sangeetam and has been both performing and teaching for more than 10 years now. She is also well versed in Nama Sankirtanam singing and the Bhajan team led by her own, the first runners-up title of Bhajan Samrat Season 4, conducted by Sri Sankara TV under the mentorship of Brahmashri Delhi P. Shankara Bhagavatar. Meenakshi is married to Sri Deepak Murthy and is put up at Vancouver, Canada. Working from home these days while contributing her bit to this wonderful art, we are happy to have her performing for Pramayas and you all this evening. Hope you all enjoy the recital and interaction. Thanks for being with us and with the best of our wishes over to Vidwan Srimati Meenakshi Deepak joining us from Vancouver, Canada. And dear you all, Sri Gurubhyo Namaha, Namaskarams.
Thank you so much, Madhavi Garu. And all of us, a round of applause to Dinavahi Madhavi Garu and her cute little daughter, Sri Kuti, we call her, Sri Pravatika. Thank you so much. And again, I welcome each and everyone. Over to you, Srimati Meenakshi. I would request all of us to mute our mics and keep your videos on. It is nice for the artist to look at the audience because she has an option to look at all of us. Thank you. Over to you. Namaste.
Namaskaram. It is a great honor for me as well to be performing here. And to begin the concert, I would start with a Viruttam, which has been composed by Srimati Aparna Iyer, who is also a disciple of my Guru, Vaidyanathan Mama. So, and the Kriti that I'm going to sing has been composed by Srimati Jayanti Srinivasan, who is the daughter of Vaidyanathan Mama. So it's a great honor for me to begin this concert today with this Viruttam and Kriti. கணபதி என உனை கற்றவர் போற்றுவர். கணபதி என உனை கற்றவர் போற்றுவர். உணமதை கொன்றே உமாபதியே உமாபதியே உலகின சுற்றினாய். உமாபதியே உலகின சுற்றினாய். உன்னையே பணிந்திட நினைப்போர் கரணம் பற்றுவர். உன்னை பணிந்திட நினைப்போர் கரணம் பற்றுவர். வினை தீர்க்கும் பரமனே விநாயக பெருமானே விநாயக பெருமானே. கங்கணபதி கங்கணபதி भजामि गङ्गापतिं भजामि गङ्गापतिं भजामि गङ्गापतिं भजामि लम्बोदरं विघ्नराजं स्मरामि गङ्गापतिं भजामि लम्बोदरं विघ्नराजं स्मरामि गङ्गापतिं भजामि. संसेवितं संसेवितं शङ्करबालं संसेवितं शङ्करबालं संसेवितं शङ्करबालं संसेवितं शङ्करबालं सन्ततं सन्मूतं स्कन्ददेवं सन्ततं सन्मूतं स्कन्ददेवं सा मगमपनि पम पम गरि सरि सा मगरि सनि सा मगमपनि पम पम गरि सरि सा अम्मकरि सनि सा मगमपनि पम पम गरि सरि सा इपमपनि पम मगरि सा मगमपनि पम पम गरि सरि सा सनि पनि सा मगरि सनि सा मगमपनि पस मगरि सा सनि पम मगरि सा सानि पम गरि गणपतिं भजामि शम्भोदरं विघ्नराजं स्मरामि गङ्गापतिं भजामि. मङ्गलकरं मङ्गलकरं मोदक प्रियं मंगलकरं मोदक प्रियं मंगलकरं मोदक प्रियं मंगलकरं मोदक प्रियं मूलाधारं मूषिकवाहनं मूलाधारं मूषिकवाहनं गंगा प्रियतनयं गानविलोलं गंगा प्रियतनयं गानविलोलं गंगा प्रियतनयं गानविलोलं गंगा प्रियतनयं गानविलोलं सुमुखं प्रमुखं गजमुखं गंगा प्रियतनयं गानविलोलं सुमुखं प्रमुखं गजमुखं सा मगमपनि पम मगरि सरि सा मगरि सनि सा मगमपनि पम मगरि सरि सा मगरि सनि सा मगमपनि पम मगरि सरि सा नि पम पनि पम मगरि सा मगमपनि पम मगरि सरि सा सनि पनि सा मगरि सनि सा मगमपनि पस मगरि सा सनि पम मगरि सा सानि प मगरि गणपतिं भजामि लम्बोदरं विघ्नराजं स्मरामि गणपतिं भजामि भजन गणनीकी यनगानु राम भजन गणनीकी यनगानु राम भजन गणनीकी राम भजन गणनीकी राम भजन सन्मुतिंचे श्रीराम चंद्रुदल चले मनसा 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 कलविलवारि वेणु कोन्नदेमि भलमु मनसा कलविलवारि वेणु कोन्नदेमि भलमु मनसा कलविलवारि वेणु कोन्नदेमि బలము మనసా కన్నవిల్లవారి వేడుకొన్నదేమి బలము మనసాయనగాను రామ భజన గణనీకి రాయనగాను రామ భజన రామ చిలుక ఒకతే పెంచే రామ చిలుక ఒకతే పెంచే ప్రేమ మాటలాడరే రామ చిలుకను కట్టె పెంచి ప్రేమ మాటలాడరే రామ రామ రామయను చూరామ రామ రామయను చూరామ రామ రామాయను చూరామ రామ రామాయను చూరామ రామ రామాయను చూరమణి యొక్కతే ప్రేమ మీరభద్రాద్రి రాముడైన రామ విపుడు 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 కామినార్థ ఫలములిచి కైవల్యమును సగలేదా కామినార్థ ఫలములిచి కైవల్యమును సగలేదా కామినార్థ ఫలము ఇచ్చి కైవల్యమును సగలేదా కామిదార్థ ఫలము ఇచ్చి కైవల్యమును సగలేదాయనగాను రామ భజన గణనీకి యదాయనగాను రామ భజన
Very nice. Okay, ma'am, for the benefit of other students, may you like to announce, maybe after the Kriti rendition, the Ragam, the Thalam, and the composer, for the benefit of the students.
So this Kriti was composed in the Ragam Pantuvarali by Sri Bhadrachala Ramadas. So the next Kriti which I am going to sing is in the Ragam Kapi Narayani and is a Tyagaraja composition set to Adi Talam. सरस सामतान भेद दंड चतुर सरस सामतान भेद दंड चतुर सरस सामदान भेद दंड चतुर सरस सामदान भेद दंड चतुर साठी दैव ध्रुव रे भ्रुव गे सरस सामदान भेद दंड चतुर साटी दैव नव्वरे ब्रोवे सरस सामदान वेद दंड चतुर साटी दैव नव्वरे ब्रोवे सरस सामदान वेद दंड चतुर साटी दैव नव्वरे ब्रोवे सरस सामदान वेद दंड चतुर परम शाम्भवाग्रेसरुन्दलूचु परम शाम्भवाग्रेसरुन्दलूचु परम शाम्भवाग्रेसरुन्दलूचु परम शाम्भवाग्रेसरुन्दलूचु परम शाम्भवाग्रेसरुन्दलूचु परम శాంభవాగ్రేసరుండనుచు బలుపురావణుడు తెలియలేకపోయే బలుపురావణుడు తెలియలేకపోయే బలుపురావణుడు తెలియలేకపోయే బలుపురావణుడు తెలియలేకపోయే సరస సామదాన వేదదండ చతుర సాటి దైవ నవ్వరే ప్రోభవే సరస సామదాన వేదదండ చతుర హితవు మాటలతో హితవు మాటలతో బాగబల్కితివి హితవు మాటలతో బాగబల్కితివి హితవు మాటలతో బాగబల్కితివి హితవు మాటలతో బాగబల్కితివి శతముగానయోధ్య నీ చూడంటివి శతముగానయోధ్య నీ చూడంటివి నత సహోదరుని రాజు చేసిగాక 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 హతము చేసితివి త్యాగరాజనుత హతము చేసితివి త్యాగరాజనుత హతము చేసితివి త్యాగరాజనుత హతము చేసితివి త్యాగరాజనుత సరస సామదాన వేదదండ చతుర సాటి దైవ నవ్వరే ప్రోభవే సరస సామదాన వేదదండ చతుర
Oh, that's really, really wonderful. For all of us who have known this, it's only in Karnataka Sangeetam when we sing, you will find some names popping up. Sri Vaidyanathan.
Very good. Excellent.
Andamari.
Superb.
Thank you, Vermaji. So now in this song you find, Raju Jesi, Nata Sahodarini Raju Jesi Juli, and the Raju Saroda Pero Bhattuati Solita. So Mr. Raju Garimella will be very happy to have heard your name 10 times, right?
Thanks.
Thank you very much, sir. But song Raju is a different context and with humble respect.
Yeah. Just to tell the name.
Thank you so much.
The context is different.
The next composition is a Narayana Tirtha Tarangam set to Ragam Bhageshwari, and in it's in Khanda Chapatarangam, set to Khanda Chapatarangam. गोविन्दमिह गोपिकानन्दकन्दम् गोविन्दमिह गोपिकानन्दकन्दम् सानन्दम् अवलोकयामो मुकुन्दम् सानन्दम् अवलोकयामो मुकुन्दम् गोविन्दमिह गोपिकानन्दकन्दम् सानन्दम् अवलोकयामो मुकुन्दम् गोपिका गणनयन कुमुद पूर्णेन्दुम् गोपिका गणनयन कुमुद पूर्णेन्दुम् गोपालकुलतिलकम् अखिल जन बन्धुम् गोपालकुलतिलकम् अखिल जन बन्धुम् श्रीपतिमनित्य हरिचन्दन सुगन्धिम् श्रीपतिमनित्य हरिचन्दन सुगन्धिम् श्रेयो विधायि करुणारस सिन्धुम् श्रेयो विधायि करुणारस सिन्धुम् सानन्दम् अवलोकयामो मुकुन्दम् संगीतरसरसिक सरस सलापम् संगीतरसरसिक सरस सलापम् सरल मुरली गलित साधु संतापम् सरल मुरली गलित साधु संतापम् शृंगार रसपूर श्रीमदन गोपम् शृंगार रसपूर श्रीमदन गोपम् श्रित जनानंद अखिलानंद रूपम् श्रित जनानंद अखिलानंद रूपम् आनन्दम् अवलोकयामो मुकुन्दम् वल्लवी माणिक्य मणियुगल मध्ये मरगद मणिच्छाय मदन गोपालम् मल्लिका जाजि चंपकादि सुमभारम् मल्लिका जाजि चंपकादि सुमभारम् मनीयलावण्य ललिततरपूरम् मनीयलावण्य ललिततरपूरम् सानन्दम् अवलोकयामो मुकुन्दम् पुरकदर कलित मुरलीनाद सुधया शिरसुन्दरीगणम् इह आकर्षयन्तम् स्फुरदधर कलित मुरलीनाद सुधया सुरसुन्दरीगणम् इह आकर्षयन्तम् गुरुकरुणया रचितम् एतत् अतिललितम् गुरुकरुणया रचितम् एतत् अतिललितम् नारायणानन्द तीर्थ समुदितम् नारायणानन्द तीर्थ समुदितम् गोविन्दमिह गोपिकानन्दकन्दम् सागन्दम् अवलोकयामो मुकुन्दम् सानन्दम् अवलोकयामो मुकुन्दम्.
Wow. Excellent. Okay. Now, for others to know,
Super performance,
uh,
grand performance, very nice.
thanks, Jagdish ji. I'll convey it to her. And second thing, ऊपर एक chat box है. You know, next to the top right corner, you will find a small chat box. You may like to appreciate the artist and put a word of, whatever you feel like. That is available for her to see. As you type, it will pop up. It will be an encouragement for the artist and others. Later also, after the song is over, I would request Miss Meenakshi just open and see the comments for once. And again we will join. Ilya, that's really...
So the next composition that I'm going to sing has been composed by Kanji Periyava Shri Jayendra Saraswati, and it's on Mahaperiyava, and it's in the ragam Pilu set to Adi Talam. अपार करुणा सिंधु अपार करुणा सिंधु ज्ञानदं शांत रूपिणा ज्ञानदं शांति रूपिणा श्री चंद्रशेखर गुरु प्रणमामि 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 श्री चन्द्रशेखर गुरुं प्रणमामि मुदङ्गहम् श्री चन्द्रशेखर गुरुं प्रणमामि मुदङ्गहम् प्रणमामि भजरे गुरुनाथं मानस भजरे गुरुनाथं मानस भजरे गुरुनाथं भज मानस भजरे गुरुनाथं भज मानस भजरे गुरुनाथं भज मानस भजरे गुरुनाथं मानस भजरे गुरुनाथं. भस्मरुद्राक्षादि अलङ्कृत शरीरम् भस्मरुद्राक्षादि अलङ्कृत शरीरम् भस्मरुद्राक्षादि अलङ्कृत शरीरम् भस्मरुद्राक्षादि अलङ्कृत शरीरम् बिल्वमालादि अलङ्कृत शिरस्कम् बिल्वमालादि अलङ्कृत शिरस्कम् अलङ्कृत शिरस्कम् अलङ्कृत शिरस्कम् भजरे गुरुनाथं भजमानस भजरे गुरुनाथम् मन्त्रमहामणि मन्त्रस्वरूपम् मन्त्रमहामणि मन्त्रस्वरूपम् मन्त्रमहामणि मन्त्रस्वरूपम् मन्त्रमहामणि मन्त्रस्वरूपम् प्रणव पयोधर प्रणव स्वरूपम् प्रणव पयोधर प्रणव स्वरूपम् भजरे गुरुनाथं भजमानस भजरे गुरुनाथम् मन्दहासमुखं मन्दाक्षवीक्षणम् मन्दहासमुखं मन्दाक्षवीक्षणम् मन्दहासमुखं मन्दाक्षवीक्षणम् मन्दहासमुखं मन्दाक्षवीक्षणम् राजादिराजम् जगद्गुरुरूपम् राजादिराजम् जगद्गुरुरूपम् जगद्गुरुरूपम् कामकोटिरूपम् भजरे गुरुनाथं मानस भजरे गुरुनाथं भजमानस भजरे गुरुनाथं मानस भजरे गुरुनाथं गुरुनाथं गुरुनाथम्
Wow, that's really, really great. In fact, I'll tell you, Pramaya students will be, taken by a surprise. They know the same song like Bhajare Yadunatham. Same Yadunatham, they know this. It's a treat for them. And Sugati ma'am's favorite song, she enjoys singing this song of a dawn. Yeah,
Very much.
and a round of
Thank you.
applause, all of us, a round of applause. And let me also welcome Deeptish Mahapatra, who just joined us from
Very nice.
Bhubaneswar. Fantastic.
Okay. So the next composition that I'm going to sing is a composition of Maharaja Sri Swati Tirunal in the Ragam Sindhu Bhairavi and set to Rupaga Talam. It's a Hindi bhajan.
Okay, meanwhile, someone's mic is on. Can you please mute it?
विश्वेश्वर दर्शन कर चल मन तुम काशी विश्वेश्वर दर्शन कर चल मन तुम काशी विश्वेश्वर दर्शन कर चल मन तुम काशी विश्वेश्वर दर्शन जब विश्वेश्वर दर्शन जब किहूँ बहु प्रेम सहित 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 काटे काटे करुणा निधान 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 जनन मरण वासे काटे करुणा निदान जनन मरण वासे काटे करुणा निदान जनन मरण विश्वेश्वर दर्शन कर चमन काशी पदुमनाभ कमल नयन पदुमनाभ कमल नयन त्रिनयन शंभो महेशा पदुमनाभ कमल नयन त्रिनयन शंभो महेशा पद्मनाभ कमल नयन त्रिनयन शंभो महेशा पद्मनाभ कमल नयन त्रिनयन शंभो महेशा भजने भजने इंदो स्वरूप 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 रहिए अविनाशी भजले इंदो स्वरूप रहिए अविनाशी भजले इंदो स्वरूप रहिए अविनाशी विश्वेश्वर दर्शन कर चमन काशी
Wow, that's really, really amazing. Great.
Yes, the next composition is an abhang composed by Sant Eknath, and it's set to Ragam Mand. It's Marathi abhang. Mm. माझे माहेर पंढरी आहे भिवरेच्या तीरी. माझे माहेर पंढरी आहे भिवरेच्या तीरी. आहे भिवरेच्या तीरी. माझे माहेर पंढरी आहे भिवरेच्या तीरी. आहे भिवरेच्या तीरी. बाप आणि आई, बाप आणि आई, माझी विठ्ठल रखुमाई, माझी विठ्ठल रखुमाई, माझी विठ्ठल रखुमाई. हे माझे माहेर पंढरी आहे भिवरेच्या तीरी. आहे भिवरेच्या तीरी. माझे माहेर पंढरी आहे भिवरेच्या तीरी. आहे भिवरेच्या तीरी. पुंडलीकरा हे बंधू, पुंडलीकरा हे बंधू, त्याची ख्याती काय सांगू, त्याची ख्याती काय सांगू, त्याची ख्याती काय सांगू, याची ख्याती काय सांगू. माझे माहेर पंढरी आहे भिवरेच्या तीरी. आहे भिवरेच्या तीरी. माझे माहेर पंढरी आहे भिवरेच्या तीरी. आहे भिवरेच्या तीरी. माझी बहीण चंद्रभागा, माझी बहीण चंद्रभागा, माझी बहीण चंद्रभागा, माझी बहीण चंद्रभागा, करीत असे पापभंगा. माझी बहीण चंद्रभागा करीत असे पापभंगा, करीत असे पापभंगा. माझे माहेर पंढरी आहे भिवरेच्या तीरी. आहे भिवरेच्या तीरी. माझे माहेर पंढरी आहे भिवरेच्या तीरी. एका जनार्दनी शरण, शरण शरण एक जनार्दनी शरण, एक जनार्दनी शरण, एक जनार्दनी शरण. करी माहेरची आठवण, गरिमा है रची आठवना, गरिमा है रची आठवना, माझे माहेर पंढरी आहे भीमरे छाती, आहे भीमरे छाती, माझे माहेर पंढरी आहे भीमरे छाती, आहे भीमरे छाती, माझे माहेर पंढरी. So I was thinking of singing the concluding
Yeah, please.
Kriti, which okay. So that is a composition by Saint Purandaradasa in praise of Lord Hanuman, and it's set to Ragam Purvi Kalyani. It's a popular Kriti usually sung in Nama Sankirtana. I'm just singing it to conclude today's concert. सारी बंदने प्राणेश बंदने, सारी बंदने प्राणेश बंदने, सारी बंदालंका पुरवा मीरिद रावणना कंಡು, सारी बंदने प्राणेश बंदने, सारी बंदने प्राणेश बंदने, सारी बंदालंका पुरवा मीरिद रावणना कंಡು, सारी बंदने प्राणेश बंदने. वायुदूतने श्रीरामन दूतने, वायुदूतने श्रीरामन दूतने, प्रेमದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೀತಾಂಗಣಗೆ ಮುತ್ರಿಗೆಯ ತಂದಿತವನೇ, ಪ್ರೇಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೀತಾಂಗಣಗೆ ಮುತ್ರಿಗೆಯ ತಂದಿತವನೇ, ಸಾರಿ ಬಂದನೆ ಪ್ರಾಣೇಶ ಬಂದನೆ, ಸಾರಿ ಬಂದನೆ. ಭೀಮಸೇನನೇ ಕುಂತಿತನಯನೇ, ಭೀಮಸೇನನೇ ಕುಂತಿತನಯನೇ, ವಿರಾಟರಾಯನ ನಗರಲಿ ನಿಂತು ಈ ಜಗನ ಸಂಹರಿಸಿದನೆ, ವಿರಾಟರಾಯನ ನಗರಲಿ ನಿಂತು ಈ ಜಗನ ಸಂಹರಿಸಿದನೆ, ಸಾರಿ ಬಂದನೆ ಪ್ರಾಣೇಶ ಬಂದನೆ. ಮಧ್ವರಾಯನೇ ಸರ್ವಜ್ಞ ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠನೇ, ಮಧ್ವರಾಯನೇ ಸರ್ವಜ್ಞ ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠನೇ, ಮಧ್ವ ಮದವಾಂಸಾರ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮುತು ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲ ದೂತ, ಮಧ್ವ ಮದವಾಂಸಾರ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮುತು ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲ ದೂತ, ಸಾರಿ ಬಂದನೆ ಪ್ರಾಣೇಶ ಬಂದನೆ, ಸಾರಿ ಬಂದನೆ ಪ್ರಾಣೇಶ ಬಂದನೆ, ಸಾರಿ ಬಂದಾಲಂಕಾಪುರವ ಮಿರಿದ ರಾವಣ ಕಂಡು, ಸಾರಿ ಬಂದನೆ ಪ್ರಾಣೇಶ ಬಂದನೆ.
Wow, that's really wonderful. Okay, can I request all of you to open your videos, open your mics, give a round of applause to the artist of the evening, Srimati Meenakshi Deepak, all the way from Canada. let me also take the privilege to tell that today not very many of the audience are actually musicians also. There are invitees, interested people from different walks of life. I would like to make a mention about Sri Jagadish Chandra Verma ji, who is joined from Godakal, Nainital, Sainik School Godakal. And Verma ji, where are you? Can you say hello to everyone, Verma ji? Sri Jagadish Chandra Verma, he is a wonderful Kavi and he writes so beautiful. He's got the best National Teachers Award, I think in the year 2009, Verma ji? Yeah, 2009 or so. Very soon we'll be having a kind of a Kavi Sammelan by him, and it's really, really wonderful. And without wasting much of the time, let me take the privilege of requesting Vidwan Shri Balasubramanya Vaidyanathan, whom we call Vaidyanathan Mama, the founder director of Sangeeta Vaijayanti, Hyderabad, and also the guru of the artist of the day, to speak a few words of advice, wishes and suggestions to all and the little ones and everyone around here. Vaidyanathan Mama, over to you, please.
Yeah. Good evening. How many minutes or how many seconds I should speak?
Maybe for 2-3 minutes.
Oh yeah, no problem. 2 days also.
That's really
So
wonderful.
just 3 minutes, fine?
Yeah,
5
please,
minutes?
please, Mama, please.
Okay. I am also a learner. I am also a learner. In music, all are students. Some are senior and some are junior. Okay. So let me start with an appreciation and a kind of gratitude to Wing Commander Yajna Raman Iyer, who has been organizing this kind of programs. It's really great.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you so much.
Particularly when we are with lot of frustrations and so many ifs and buts with the corona pandemic, this has really put us away from all those kind of thoughts. And at least during this time we did not see the mobile messages on the corona.
Absolutely.
Okay, that itself energizes us. This is really great thing. This kind of thing really helps us to energize ourselves, go away from that different kind of feelings and frustrations. This is one of the great thoughtful arrangements that Sriman Yajna Ram Iyer has done. Okay, now with regard to music, I don't know whether I can be taking an advisory role, but let me put my perception on music. Music has to be a means of worship. It's means of worship for some people. It's a means to treat mind, body and soul. It's a means to bring peace and harmony within the family and among the friends. This is really very important when we use music like this. And let us not bother about the big crowd and other things. When it is very big, unmanageable, and it can become unmanageable by all means. A diamond merchant will not feel bad if he has got only 1 or 2 customers, as opposed to any other customer like sari shop or something. So let us be happy with the group of people whom we are able to communicate through our music. This is what every musician has to feel.
Absolutely.
Wow,
And-
wow.
And we learn music, certain rules, but when we sing, we have to sing from heart. And whoever is around us, we should include them within us. Here I would like to quote one Ramana Maharishi's statement. When Ramana Maharishi was asked, how do you treat others? He said, there are no others. So, this is how we have to feel. We should feel the presence of God within us, within the people who are around us. Then our sincerity, our efforts will go up. Let us not bother about mistakes. అక్కడ శృతి పోయింది, ఇక్కడ శృతి పోయింది, అది కలవలేదు, ఇది కలవలేకపోతే పోనీ.
Absolutely.
Let us enjoy.
Wow, wow.
When Maharajapuram Vishwanath, one of the great musicians, when he sang, one of the audience came and said, Mama, oka beach vadilesaru meeru. And he said, come home, I will give you hundreds, come, he said. So, let us not bother about the perfection. Let us enjoy what we have. And let us try to grow together. Enjoy, appreciate, encourage. This is what is important. Accent lo marpu రావచ్చు. Even in Tamil, some places Padmanabhan అంటారు, కొన్ని చోట్ల Badmanabhan అంటారు. So accent లో కొన్ని మార్పులు ఉండొచ్చు. And the great people, they have given this such a treasure. We have to respect this and retain this. Annamacharya composed 32,000 kritis, roughly. Unfortunately, at least we should say, fortunately we have about 600 to 800. Tyagarajas would have composed more, about 24,000 kritis, equivalent to Valmiki Ramayana slokas. We have about 600 to 800. Like that, Tukaram, Abhang, he must have composed more than 100,000. Unfortunately, we have very few. At least this we have to retain. So, Shraddha, Bhakti, తోనే మనం ఇదంతా అచీవ్ చేయగలుగుతాం. இதெல்லாம் அப்படிதான் அச்சீவ் பண்ண முடியும். நம்ம குழந்தைகளுக்கு கூட சின்னப்போ you help them to listen to music, don't force them. When you force them, then they will get aversion. Create an environment among children to get into the music. This is the best medicine that one can get it, and this improves the creativity of a person. Okay, music, the classical music or any fine art, let us not use the word hobby. It should be a passion. It should be a lifeline. Okay, what is your hobby? It can be stamp collection, it can be anything, but not this lifeline of music, dance or painting or anything. It should be part of our life. We get separated from all family members, but only the art that we practice will continue till our last. So we have to respect, we have to nurture, we have to practice, we have to grow with that. This is what I felt I would like to share here. Okay?
Wonderful, wonderful, Mama. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. In fact,
Let us appreciate everyone. Everyone should grow. And most important thing is, we all need to learn how to listen to music. That is a great training that we have to undergo.
excellent, excellent, excellent.
Okay, that is very important. How do we meditate ourselves when listening to music, understanding the nuances of the music? All those things are really, will definitely help us. Okay, let me conclude with this. Thanks, sir, for all this opportunity.
Wow, this is really amazing. Thank you, Mama. Thank you so, so much. Amazing it is. Let me also have the privilege of introducing Srimati Lakshmi Suresh from Noida. And she is an advocate by profession, but she has taken up various other things. Her son is a prodigy who is coming up. Lakshmi, are you there? Are you there online? Can you say hello to everyone? Meenakshi, is she your friend also, right? Lakshmi Suresh? Okay, I think she's muted her mic or something. Her son is a prodigy coming up and he's doing very well. He's learning vocal and he's going to do big things in music. That's what I foresee. And can I have a word of blessings from Sugandhi ma'am? Are you there? Sugandhi ma'am, are you there?
Yes, sir. I'm here.
A few words from you, please.
First of all, namaskaram to everyone. Namaskaram Vaidyanathan sir, namaskaram A.K. Raman sir, and all others here. The concert which we listened to was excellent, wonderful. It was very divine, melodious, and the Marathi bhajan, Abhang and all is new to me. I really enjoyed listening to the whole concert given by the artist. It's really, as Vedant sir said, we are just away from this thoughts of fear about this COVID and listening to some other thing. It gives absolute peace of mind listening to the music, and whatever she sang today, it was very divine, melodious. I really enjoyed the concert very much. I thank A.K. Raman sir for inviting me to join this. Music is always good to listen, and it is always divine. I remember the Shankarabharanam movie 30 32 years, more than that back earlier. We enjoyed your speech also. Wonderful it is. We have to learn a lot from you, sir.
Thank you
so
Mami.
much.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Round of
you.
applause. And it is very, very important to have a word of blessings from Geeta Mami, Geeta Lakshmanan Mami from Palakkad, who is mother of Sumita. Geeta Mami, are you there? Can you say a few words? Geeta Mami?
ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು சொல்லலாம்.
ಇಲ್ಲ she has done a great job and அப்பா அம்மாவோட ஆசீர்வாதம் குருவோட ஆசீர்வாதம் இல்லாம அப்புறம் இன்னைக்கு குரு பத்னி வைத்தியநாதன் மாமாவோட சகதர்மணி கூட உட்காந்து முழு கச்சேரியும் கேட்டா அது பெரிய ஆசீர்வாதம். Thank you so much and very soon we'll be listening to, we have great artists among us. Beyond music we have others also, and Jagdish Chandra Verma ji is a wonderful poet. Very soon we're going to listen to him. Deeptish Mahapatra is a very good tablaist. He also plays on various rhythm instruments. We're going to listen to him one of these days. And I think those who want to leave can leave now. Maybe can I have a word of final winding up from Meenakshi, Srimati Meenakshi Deepak, the artist of the evening? Can I request a word from you?
It is a great honor for me to perform here today, and especially I'm so happy that Vaidyanathan Mama and Mami both could come and grace the concert with their presence. And it was so, I mean, almost whenever I performed in front of Mama, I've always felt so confident. And even today, even though it was an online concert, he had been constantly guiding me, and I was just looking at him while I was singing. So it is a great pleasure, Mama, that you and Mami came here today. ரொம்பவே எனக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம் நீங்க வந்ததுக்கு. And of course, thank you to everyone who is here, Sujeshri ma'am, and everyone who is here. Thank you so much for coming and listening. I made a lot of mistakes, but whatever it is, like Mama said, I tried singing with all my heart. I haven't, to be honest, I hadn't practiced much for this, but it was just impromptu. But then, as Mama always says, I sang with my heart. Yeah, Mama.
Yeah, I think very important for students what Meenakshi said, I made lot of mistakes. Let us not bother about mistake.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Okay, the moment we say mistake or wrong, Shruti poindi, Layam poindi, we get into the suppressed mode. Who is not making mistake? We have to learn how to manage our mistake. Okay, mistake is part of our life. Okay, so maybe we can use the word area for improvement. Next time I will improve. Next time I am going to do wonderful. Don't use the word mistake. Don't use the word wrong. తప్పులు అయ్యిందా, తప్పులు అవని ఏమవుతుంది, మనకు తప్పులు మనం చేయకపోతే ఎవరు చేస్తాం? Okay, don't worry about mistake at all. Okay, be happy and move forward.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you, Ms. Meenakshi, for having been with us. It's really, really wonderful to host you. And very soon we'll be listening to various other artists. And let me, on behalf of Pramayas and my own students, thank each and everyone who have taken time to be here. Wing Commander Apparao Garu is a very busy man in Delhi. He's got a lot of other commitments. Surya from London and so many scores of other people from all over who have joined us. And I'm really, really thankful that each and every one of you took time to be here, to be with us. And this really wonderful. And very soon we'll meet again with a few other more artists. They're all learning value for little students from Pramayas. This is something, to be wonderful to be part of you. Thank you so much, and I think we will wind up by saying a word of Namaste and Jai Hind from all of us. Thank you so much. Namaskar.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
So nice of you, sir. Really, I love musical concert. Really, that is that touched the interested soul, and that feeling because came out from that one. Really, that can never be forgotten. So really, I am highly grateful to you, sir. As and when there is such kind of program, please let me know. Okay, thank you very much, sir.
Namaskar.
So nice.
Namaskar. Good night. Shubhratri, everyone. Thank you so much.
Shubhratri.